In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to expand cards in Trello so you can view all the details, edit information, and manage your tasks more efficiently. If you're new to Trello or just want to make sure you're using it the right way, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see your workspaces and boards. From here, click on the board where your cards are located. This will open up the board view, where you'll see multiple lists and the cards inside them. Now, to expand a card in Trello, all you need to do is click directly on the card. It doesn't matter where you click on the card itself, just select it once. As soon as you click, Trello will open the card in an expanded view. This expanded view appears as a pop-up window layered over your board. Inside the expanded card view, you'll now be able to see all the detailed information associated with that card. This includes the description, checklists, due dates, labels, attachments, activity history, and comments. From here, you can edit the description, add new checklist items, assign members, change due dates, upload files, or leave comments for your team. Expanding the card is essential whenever you want to go beyond just the card title and actually manage the task in detail. If you want to make updates, simply click into any section. For example, click on the description area to start typing, or click Add Checklist to create subtasks. Every change you make is saved automatically in Trello, so you don't need to worry about manually saving your progress. Once you're done reviewing or editing the card, closing it is just as simple. Look at the top right corner of the expanded card window. You'll see an X icon. Click on that X and the expanded view will close, taking you back to your main board. Alternatively, you can also click anywhere outside the card window to close it quickly. And that's it. That's how you expand and close cards in Trello. It's a simple feature, but it's one you'll use constantly when managing projects, tracking tasks, or collaborating with a team. Mastering this small action makes navigating Trello much smoother and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.